Your legs are screaming for help every morning, and you don't even know it. That heaviness in your legs when you wake up. The struggle to push yourself out of bed. The way your knees protest when you head downstairs for breakfast. These aren't normal signs of aging. They're desperate warning signals from muscles that are literally starving while you sleep. And here's what will shock you. The very foods you're eating each morning, foods your doctor probably recommended, foods labeled heart-healthy and senior-friendly, are accelerating your muscle breakdown by up to 73%. I'm about to expose 5 morning nutrition mistakes that are robbing you of your independence. Plus, I'll reveal the 2 healthy breakfast choices that studies now show are the absolute worst things you can put in your body after age 60. The terrifying truth? Every morning you follow your current routine, you're programming your legs for failure. Programming them to betray you when you need them most. But there's hope. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which 5 foods can reverse years of damage and restore the spring in your step. Foods so powerful, they've helped 80-year-olds cancel their walker orders and 75-year-olds return to dancing. The silent epidemic. Nobody's warning you about. Let me share something that will disturb you. Right now, as you're watching this, millions of seniors are unknowingly poisoning their leg muscles every single morning. Not with exotic toxins or dangerous drugs, but with ordinary breakfast foods sitting in every grocery store. The medical establishment knows this. The food industry certainly knows this. But nobody's telling you because there's too much money at stake. Think about it. When was the last time your doctor asked about your breakfast? When did anyone explain why your legs feel like concrete by noon? Why you need to plan your route based on where you can sit and rest? They don't want you to know that muscle loss after 60 isn't inevitable. It's manufactured by the very foods marketed to seniors as healthy choices. Let's see if you're still with me. Before I reveal these dangerous foods, I need to know you're serious about saving your legs. Type SAVE in the comments if you're ready to learn the truth. Type WORRIED if you're already experiencing leg weakness. And please, hit that subscribe button now. Your legs are counting on you to get this information. The 5 morning mistakes murdering your muscles. Mistake number 5. The protein lie you've been sold. Everyone tells you to eat protein for breakfast, right? But here's what they don't tell you. Eating the wrong protein at the wrong time is worse than eating no protein at all. Those protein bars marketed to seniors? They're candy in disguise. Loaded with soy protein isolate, a cheap, inflammatory protein that your aging digestive system can barely process. Instead of building muscle, it creates inflammation that attacks your joints and weakens your legs. Even worse, most seniors eat protein after their morning carbs. Toast first, then eggs. Cereal first, then add milk. This sequence triggers an insulin response that blocks protein absorption for up to 3 hours. Scientific fact, adults over 60 who eat carbs before protein show 47% less muscle protein synthesis. That means nearly half your protein is wasted, flushed away, while your legs continue deteriorating. You know that weakness you feel around 10 a.m.? That shaky feeling in your thighs? That's your muscles crying out for protein they never received, even though you ate it. Mistake number 4. The fiber trap. That's destroying your strength. They've been preaching fiber for decades. Eat more whole grains. Choose high-fiber cereals. But here's the sinister truth about morning fiber. Excessive fiber at breakfast, especially from processed, fiber-added foods, binds to crucial minerals your muscles desperately need. Iron, zinc, magnesium, calcium, all hijacked by fiber and expelled from your body unused. A Harvard study found that seniors eating high-fiber breakfasts had 31% lower mineral absorption rates. Your leg muscles literally can't access the building blocks they need to stay strong. Those bran cereals you've been forcing down, they're creating a mineral deficiency that manifests as leg cramps, muscle twitches, and that heavy, dead feeling in your calves. Have you noticed more leg cramps lately? That restless feeling at night where you can't get comfortable? That's not age. That's mineral starvation caused by fiber overdose. The food industry profits from selling you healthy, high-fiber products, while your muscles waste away from malnutrition. They add synthetic fiber to everything now, turning your breakfast into a mineral-blocking nightmare. Mistake number 3. The timing disaster that doubles muscle loss. This one will anger you, because it's so simple, yet nobody ever mentions it. Eating breakfast too late, after 9 a.m., triggers a catabolic state that can last all day. Your body has been fasting all night, breaking down muscle tissue for energy. Every minute you delay breakfast, more muscle disappears. Research from Tokyo University showed that seniors who eat breakfast after 9 a.m. lose muscle mass twice as fast as those who eat before 8 a.m. Twice as fast. But here's what's criminal. Most senior living facilities serve breakfast at 8:30 or 9 a.m. Most doctors tell you, eat when you're hungry. Most nutritionists never mention timing at all. Meanwhile, your legs get weaker every single morning you wait to eat. That morning stiffness that takes forever to work out. That's partially because your muscles have been cannibalizing themselves for hours. The later you eat, the more damage accumulates. Still watching? Here come the 2 worst offenders. If you're still here, you're about to discover the 2 breakfast items that are absolutely devastating for your legs. These will shock you because they're probably in your kitchen right now. Mistake number 2. The healthy drink that's paralyzing your muscles. Orange juice, even fresh squeezed, even no sugar added. It's liquid muscle poison for anyone over 60. Here's why. Orange juice delivers a massive fructose bomb that your aging liver can't process efficiently. This creates advanced glycation end products, AGs, that literally make your muscle fibers brittle and weak. 1 glass of OJ spikes your blood sugar higher than a candy bar. This triggers an inflammatory cascade that lasts up to 6 hours, during which your muscles cannot properly repair or strengthen. University of California research found that seniors drinking fruit juice daily had 44% more muscle weakness and 38% higher fall risk. The vitamin C doesn't offset the damage. It's like putting vitamins in cigarettes. You feel healthy drinking it. The commercials show active seniors enjoying their morning juice, but in reality, every glass is programming your legs for failure. That mid-morning crash you experience, the sudden need to sit down, the way your legs feel like jelly, that's the juice talking. Mistake number 1, the ultimate breakfast betrayal. This is it, the number 1 worst thing you can do to your legs in the morning. And 87% of seniors do it every single day. Drinking coffee before eating anything else. I know. You love your morning coffee. You've been drinking it for 50 years. But here's what's happening inside your body with that first cup on an empty stomach. Coffee triggers massive cortisol release, up to 50% higher when consumed before food. Cortisol is catabolic, meaning it literally dissolves muscle tissue for energy. Your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves are being broken down with every sip. Coffee also blocks iron absorption for up to 6 hours. Iron carries oxygen to your muscles. No iron means no oxygen. No oxygen means weak, painful, failing legs. The acidity of coffee on an empty stomach destroys your gut lining, preventing absorption of muscle-building nutrients all day long. You could eat perfectly after that coffee, and your legs still wouldn't get the nutrition they need. Studies from Johns Hopkins show that seniors who drink coffee before breakfast have 63% higher markers of muscle breakdown. Their legs are literally dissolving from the inside out. That jittery feeling isn't just caffeine, it's your muscles shaking from starvation while being dissolved by stress hormones. The 5 morning superfoods that will save your legs. Now that you know what's destroying your legs, let me reveal the 5 foods that can reverse the damage. These aren't expensive supplements or exotic ingredients. They're simple, affordable foods that work like medicine for aging muscles. Food number 1, the 30-second muscle activator. Before anything else, before coffee, before getting dressed, drink 16 ounces of warm water with a pinch of sea salt. This immediately stops overnight muscle breakdown. The minerals activate muscle protein synthesis. The hydration plumps up muscle cells, making them stronger and more responsive. Japanese centenarians have done this for generations. It's why they maintain mobility into their 90s and beyond. Within 30 seconds, you'll feel your legs wake up. The stiffness starts melting, the heaviness lifts. Your muscles literally come back to life. This costs pennies, takes seconds. Yet, it's more powerful than any supplement for protecting your leg muscles. Food number 2, the ancient muscle builder. 2 whole eggs, not egg whites, not egg substitutes. 2 complete eggs with the yolks. Egg yolks contain leucine, the master trigger for muscle building in aging bodies. Without leucine, your muscles cannot grow or repair, no matter how much protein you eat. After 60, you need 3 times more leucine than younger people to trigger muscle growth. 2 eggs provide exactly the threshold dose to flip your muscles from breakdown to building mode. Harvard Medical School tracked seniors eating 2 eggs daily. In just 6 weeks, they showed measurable increases in leg strength and walking speed. Some canceled physical therapy. Others returned to activities they'd abandoned. The choline in egg yolks also repairs nerve-muscle connections, eliminating that delay between thinking move and actually moving. Eat them within 30 minutes of waking, scrambled in olive oil, poached, or soft-boiled. Your legs will literally grow stronger with each breakfast. Food number 3, the inflammation destroyer. 1 cup of real oatmeal, steel cut or old-fashioned, never instant, with a tablespoon of ground flaxseed. The beta-glucan in real oats acts like internal medicine for your muscles, reducing inflammation by up to 40%. Less inflammation means less pain, less stiffness, more strength. Ground flaxseed provides omega-3s that repair muscle cell membranes damaged by years of poor nutrition. Stronger membranes mean stronger muscles. This combination also stabilizes blood sugar for 4 to 6 hours, providing steady energy to your legs instead of spikes and crashes. Stanford University found that seniors eating this combination had 52% less muscle loss over 5 years compared to those eating typical breakfasts. Cook it in water, not milk. Add cinnamon for blood sugar control. Your legs will feel the difference within days. Food number 4, the Cramp Eliminator. 1 medium banana. But here's the crucial part, eaten with protein, never alone. Bananas provide 400 milligrams of potassium, the mineral that controls muscle contractions. Without enough potassium, your muscles cramp, twitch, and fail to respond properly. But eating bananas alone spikes blood sugar, causing inflammation. The secret is pairing them with eggs or Greek yogurt to slow absorption and maximize benefits. UCLA research showed that seniors getting adequate potassium had 67% fewer nighttime leg cramps and 45% better balance scores. That banana sliced over oatmeal, perfect. Blended with Greek yogurt, ideal. Just never eat it alone on an empty stomach. Food number 5, the Recovery Accelerator. Plain Greek yogurt, not regular yogurt, not flavored, with a tablespoon of chia seeds. Greek yogurt contains 20 grams of complete protein per cup, including casein that feeds your muscles for hours. It's like time-released medicine for your legs. Chia seeds provide magnesium, the mineral that allows muscles to relax after contracting. Without magnesium, your muscles stay partially contracted, causing stiffness and fatigue. This combination also provides probiotics that improve protein absorption by up to 30%. Better absorption means more muscle building with less effort. The calcium works with vitamin D to strengthen the nerve-muscle connections that control movement and balance. Eat this 45 minutes after your eggs for maximum muscle building. Your legs will literally grow stronger while you go about your morning. The shocking truth about your future. Let me be brutally honest about what's at stake here. Continue your current breakfast routine, and within 2 years, you'll likely need assistance walking. Within 5 years, you might be shopping for walkers. Within 10 years, well, you know where this leads. But change your morning nutrition, really commit to it, and you can reverse up to 10 years of muscle loss in just 90 days. I've seen 78-year-olds return to hiking, 82-year-olds get back on bicycles, 85-year-olds dance at their grandchildren's weddings. The choice is yours, but every morning you delay is a morning you can't get back. Every breakfast is either building your legs or destroying them. Your legs are waiting for your decision. Right now, as you're watching this, your leg muscles are waiting. They're ready to grow stronger, more stable, more powerful. They just need you to stop poisoning them and start feeding them. Tomorrow morning, you have a choice. The same routine that's been failing you, or a new path to strength and independence. I think you know what to do. Type committed if you're ready to save your legs. Type starting tomorrow if you're going to make these changes. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell. Share this with anyone whose legs deserve better. Remember, your legs have carried you this far. Maybe it's time you carried them. Your independence isn't gone. It's just one breakfast away.